Hi, this is the third session on serves. So we've done two sessions, one was basic technique, one was a little bit more advanced, how you hold the bat, what angle it is and how you get more power. This is the third session with a bit of direction and a bit of tactics involved. So I'm going to do some serves now and show you. The thing we talked about last time was actually you wouldn't stand too far here because the angle off glass 2 would be too wide. So we always said you could stand a bit closer to the centre, and now you've got different options. You've got the options of going for glass 1 and 2, or you've got the option of going for the centre. This would be going for the centre, and also disguise is very important. So when I serve and I'm going down the centre, I deliberately look at the glass to make them think I'm hitting the glass. So I'm looking at the glass and then I'd go down the middle. And I'll start here, go down the middle. Obviously with backspin that keeps it low. And then I may actually look down the middle because they think I'm hitting it down the middle, and then go for glass 1 or 2. That was glass 3, but never mind. Right, and I'm trying to start high and go through the ball, not with much follow through. I'm squeezing when I hit. We said before in the last lesson, start here, or you can start high. Accelerate the racket through the shot. Knees bent, athletic position. I know because I'm squeezing and using my shoulders, I know it's going in the same place every time. My racket, my bat is finishing down the court. It's not finishing up here, it's not finishing down or around here. I'm using my left hand, it's going down the court. And what do I do after I've hit? Of course, I'm going to be standing here. If my partner's there, he's playing the deuce side. I'm going to be serving and moving to my left. If I'm playing with an ad player, I'm going to be serving and covering this side. One more, my momentum is going to take me forwards. Because my second shot is always going to be a volley. And what's the type of volley? I'm not trying to kill it. I'm trying to put it deep so they're in trouble and they can't take the net. If I serve and try and kill a volley, that's not the right tactics. Just trying to serve, play deep, be consistent. You'll win the point through being consistent rather than going for a winner. Hopefully that helps on serves. Thank you very much. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe here. If you want to see more in the series of what we do, up here. And if you want to learn about all the general things we do on all our channels, go down below.